In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a picture into a circle in Google Slides. This is a handy feature if you want to create polished and professional looking presentations. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account. If you haven't logged in yet, head over to Google Slides. You can easily find Google Slides by typing it into your browser's search bar or by selecting it from the Google Apps menu, which is typically located in the upper right corner of your Google homepage. Once you've logged in, you should find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here you have a couple of options. To get started, you can either open an existing presentation or create a new one. For this tutorial, let's start with a blank presentation. Click on the blank presentation option, or if you're feeling more adventurous, choose a theme that suits your style. With your presentation open and ready to go, the next step is to add an image that you want to crop into a circle. To do this, navigate to the Insert menu located at the top of your screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, choose Image. You can upload an image from your computer, Google Drive, or search the web directly within Google Slides. Once your image is inserted onto your slide, click to select it. Now here's where the magic happens. At the top you'll see a toolbar with multiple options. Look for the crop tool. It looks like a small rectangle with a diagonal line cutting through it. Next to this tool is a small arrow that points downward. Click on this arrow to reveal the mask image options. This is the feature that allows you to shape your images. From the mask image drop down, select shapes. You'll see a variety of shapes to choose from. For this tutorial, find and click on the circle shape. Once you select the circle, your image will automatically be cropped into a circular frame. You can adjust the size of the circle by dragging the corners of the image, and you can reposition the image within the circle to achieve the perfect look. And there you have it. Your image is now beautifully cropped into a circle, ready for your presentation. This simple trick can really enhance your design elements, making your presentation stand out. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different shapes and images to get comfortable with this feature. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe and watch out for more quick and easy Google Slides tips. See you next time.